Hi guys, I think this is going to be the last story that I can read from Raglan Library because I think my camera is getting a little bit full. But let's try and get through this one as well before it's all full and I have to pop them on the internet for you. This book is called Ted. Ted has been at the pet shop for as long as he could remember. He was a smart dog with his own jumper, and he did his best to make a good impression, but there were so many other dogs that nobody noticed him. Other dogs. This is where I belong, thought Ted. Oh, this is not where I belong, sorry, thought Ted. So he set off to find somewhere perfect. The following morning, he joined the circus. The big top was magnificent. The audience cheered as the circus dogs flew through the air, but nobody noticed Ted on his popcorn box. You see Ted there on the popcorn box in the circus? Yeah? So Ted entered a pet pageant instead after bubbles and a blow dry. Ted looked sensational. He's beautiful, isn't he? The judges preferred the poodles with pom-poms, and nobody took any photos of Ted. Ted took a job as a guard dog. He kept watch for strangers. And he checked the newspaper for anything suspicious. Look at him there reading the newspapers. But even the burglar didn't notice Ted. I don't belong anywhere, thought Ted, and he stopped searching for somewhere perfect. But on his way back to the pet shop, something caught Ted's eye. The posters say wanted, a furry friend for Dot, enjoys long walks and ball games. Ted did his best to make a good impression, and Dot noticed. They hung out all afternoon, and they became fabulous friends. As Ted arrived at his new home, he couldn't believe his luck. Is this where I belong? Thought Ted. He'd finally found somewhere. Perfect. Look, he's surrounded by cats and they've all got their own jumpers on too. How cool is that? It's pretty happy, eh? There's all the jumpers on the line. Okay, see you later.